Coronavirus has prevented the production of budget iPhone SE2. Apple is changing the timing. The company will not show the public the budget iPhone SE2 at the end of March. It's no secret that Apple plans to release a new low-cost iPhone based on iPhone 8, but with updated internal components. This device is rumored to be iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. Although concerns about the impact of coronavirus on production have raised some questions about launch dates. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims that iPhone SE2 is still expected in the first half of this year. If earlier insiders predicted the exact release date, March 31st, now Apple will release a new product in April this year. Unsurprisingly, iPhone SE2 will not include a 7P lens, since Phone 8 includes a 6P rear camera lens. As Apple seeks to keep prices low for the new phones, corporations will have to use budget details that were previously installed on older models, like the iPhone 8. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss the most interesting. Recall that the company Oppo teases fans with the release of a new smartphone. The device will receive a fancy camera, as well as a modern display and a powerful processor. No also reported that Apple forbids the use of cinema villains by their smartphones. The corporation does not want their smartphones to be associated with villains in films.